Hi, I'm Liz Yunt, and I'm here today with Bev Hepburn.
And we're here today to see a great condo, Unit 509. It's a commuter's dream.
Bev, let's show them Green Valley Place.
Okay.
It's just a quick elevator ride up here. Let's get you to your new front door.
Come on in. You got to check out this two-bedroom condo on the 5th floor. Here's your southwest-facing view at the living room. Liz, what do you got?
Here's the main bedroom, and it is complete with a walk-in closet and a private bath. Here it is, we have enough room for a full-size dining table. And Bev, there's even more.
That's right, Liz. It's like having a second primary bedroom. Here's bathroom number 2 and an ensuite laundry.
Oh, just in case you're wondering, yes, you do get a kitchen. Take a look around at this 2018 renovation.
Everyone loves a great party.
That's right, and if you have extra guests, here's your party room. Here's your quiet room.
Got goals?
You can work it out in here.
I'm Bev Hepburn, your trusted broker with Coldwell banker Peter Benninger Realty. To see this one in person, Liz, tell them what to do.
Thanks, Bev. To do so, find me. My information is next.